So, how do you enable incognito mode in Chrome browser? So to start off, I've already opened up the Google browser, and here you just need to head over to the top right, the three dots, and just click on the new incognito window. So in here, the cookies won't be saved, your browsing history won't be saved, and your activity might be still visible to the websites you visit, your employer, or your school, and your internet service provider. So you basically use this so your data is not collected locally, but it can still be seen by third parties, such as the website, your school, or employer, and your internet service provider. So let's search here. So as you can see, you can search things up, but it won't appear on the history on a normal browser, the one without incognito. So the shortcut keys for the incognito window is Control-Shift-N. So in any way, when we do have a normal browsing tab, you just need to hit on Control-Shift-N and it would automatically get you to incognito mode. So that's basically it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful topics.